Hi all, this is Nidhi. So today I'm again back with my second video for the methods of measurement of the price elasticity of demand. In my first video I've discussed the percentage method, and in this class I'm going to discuss the geometric method. Geometric method is also known as the point method. That means if we need to measure the price elasticity, suppose if we need to measure the elasticity at any point on the straight line demand curve, we can measure with the help of this formula, that is elasticity of demand is equals to lower segment of the demand curve by the upper segment of the demand curve. Now always remember children that elasticity is different at different points. Now how? Let me explain with the help of this diagram more clearly. Suppose if I ask you that find out the elasticity at point D. So what you can see children, D is the midpoint. So elasticity at point D is that lower segment of the demand curve by the upper segment. Lower segment is DB and upper segment is DA. So I can write it as DB by DA. Is not it? Okay. So that means lower segment is equals to the upper segment. So I can write elasticity at point D is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. Now, if I ask you to find out the elasticity at point C, so what will be the elasticity? See, lower segment by upper segment. Lower segment is CB, upper segment is CA. CB by CA. That means what you can see is that here elasticity, that means lower segment is smaller than the upper segment. So here elasticity is less than 1. ED is less than 1. Clear? Now if I ask you to find out the elasticity at point B, so what you can find it how? Lower segment again. Lower segment, there is nothing below B. There is nothing below B, so I can write it 0. And above B it is BA. So if you divide anything with 0, the answer will be in 0. So ED is equals to 0. Clear? Now at point E, so lower segment is EB, which is greater, and upper segment is EA. So EB by EA. That means elasticity is greater than 1 because lower segment is greater than the upper segment. Now elasticity at point A. Lower segment is AB and upper segment above A. Can you see anything? Nothing is there above A. So I will consider it at 0. So anything if you divide with 0, the answer will be to the infinity. So that means ED is equals to infinity. Clear? So this is the how to measure the elasticity at any point on the straight line demand curve. This is the formula. Now just note it down children so that you can remember. At point E I have not written, sorry, ED is greater than 1. ED is greater than 1. Now this is the straight line demand curve children. Now if I ask you that how to measure the price elasticity of demand on non-linear demand curve, that means which is not a straight line. If I ask you to find out this elasticity at point R, so how to find out? This is not a straight line, this is for non-linear demand curve. Now to measure the elasticity at point R on the non-linear demand curve, we need to draw one tangent to the demand curve. Clear? We need to draw one tangent to the demand curve and we can measure the elasticity of the tangent at the point R through the above formula, that is the lower segment by the upper segment. Clear? Now you can see this is a non-linear demand curve, okay, so which is not a straight line, and suppose we need to measure the elasticity at point R. Now how to measure it on the demand curve? For that we have to draw one straight line which I have drawn. Suppose I have given you one diagram here. I have asked you to just find out the elasticity at point R, which is non-linear demand curve. So draw one tangent from the point R, okay, and then we can find out the tangent, elasticity of the tangent to the demand curve by dividing the lower segment by the upper segment. So see here, see here is the price and here is the quantity. So if I need to find out the elasticity at point R, so what we can write it as the formula, elasticity at point R is equals to lower segment. So this is the AB. Clear? So what I can write it here, RB, that is the lower segment, by the upper segment, RA. Clear? So I can find out the elasticity by just drawing a tangent. So just I have drawn the tangent, you see. Clear? To measure the price elasticity on the demand curve. This is the geometric method. I hope it is clear to you all. So in my next class, I am going to just start the method of the total expenditure method. Thank you. If you have any query, please write it down in my comment section so that I can make you more clear about it. Thank you.